Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So this is the video I promised you to make in the last video about how to get into NFT projects early before getting to release on NFT markets like OpenSea. Okay, so head over to Rarity.tools and choose upcoming. Here you will find a list of projects like this, but there is bad projects and good projects. So that's why this video is here, to give you some insights about things to make sure or avoid. Okay, so first of all, we need to see here is the name of the project, and this is a description. This is their Discord, Twitter, and their website. And here you can see the supply and the price to mint. Okay, the art, the NFT, and this is when it's going to start minting. And here we can see it's just the price, here just the supply, but the others, as you can see, it's the price and the supply. So you can check their Twitter and stuff. Okay, so the things that you should keep in mind is that the minimum is 3, like 0.3, okay, and the maximum is 0.5. okay, that's the spot that most people buy, so you don't get to get into some project that at the end it won't work or something like that, because that's the spot that people buy at. Okay, there is some others that give more prices like this one here, and there is others, but that depends. Again, you might risk it, but who knows, if you see the project it's worth it, you can get into it. Okay, how to know the project is worth it or not? You need to check the supply, and as for here it's 20k. okay, and already 20k is a lot, because what you need to do with an NFT project is you need to make like around 10k and less, because that drives scarcity. Like if there is a lot of supply to mint, there will be a lot of supply than demand. Okay, and people that are buying it, they wouldn't care about it, or they will buy more, or there isn't that incentive that for people to buy. Let's say this one here is 20k, and let's go to their Twitter account, and you need to check their followers. So their audience is already just 1k. So how many of these will mint this project here? Let's say 1000 of them. Let's even say that some of them will buy multiple ones, but they wouldn't buy 20 for each, like to mint the project and get it done with it. What I want you to see is like this, for example, it's 8k, and it's a sweet spot. And let's go to their Twitter, for example, and as you can see here, they have 6k followers. And let's say when it's the 8th of September, it's already started minting. There is some people only join Discord, and they don't join Twitter. So let's check their website and see if they are done minting, or they still have some to mint. So this is their roadmap. You need to always check the roadmap and see if the developers have some good incentives and things, like they care about the community. They are not just looking to earn money. Okay, so some of these make some roadmaps with giveaways and a lot of things that incentivize people to get into their project. Okay, so this is how you get to connect with the project and mint your NFT if you want to connect with the project. Okay, connect with the project. If you found any project that you like, you want to mint, I'm just showing you how to connect. This is the amount that you can mint if you want more, but as you can see here, they've set a limit of 5 per person. This is a good thing, because it gives a chance for the community to buy and getting into the project, because there is a lot of people who try to buy as much as they can, so they can influence the market and sell for a higher price, and other people cannot get into the project. But what I noticed here is it's a pre-sale. It enables people to give them to give them an early way to get into and mint the NFT for people that are loyal to that project, like the community and stuff, and they give them this here before they get into the sale. So as you can see now, I see it's pre-sale here, and the sale is on September. So always make sure when is the sale and pre-sale. Okay, so this is one is 02, and total of 10,000. So let's check their Twitter. So as you can see, it's 1,000 and they are 10k here, and as I mentioned before, it's a lot. Okay, so only checking their Twitter and see if they have an audience that are engaging and stuff. I've seen some projects that sold like 10,000 NFT in 8 minutes, like that. Crazy. And you need to check their Discord as well. Like any NFT project that you want, just check their NFT and see the engagement and people there around there. If you see that people don't talk that much in their chat and stuff, you know that it's kind of dead. There isn't people around that, there isn't a community built around that project. So, and their marketing sucks or something like that. So yeah. And the other thing that I want to tell you is always good to get early, even if you're not buying. Why? Because when you get into some projects, let's say that you like some project in here, or you can get into all of them, because this one here doesn't require you to put any money. By going to let's say their Twitter account and check their giveaways, they be doing giveaways like for free. Just retweet and like and tag other people, and there is a lot of people are getting NFTs by just doing that. Okay, and also join their Discords. Like all of these have a section of giveaways. Just by clicking an emoji, you get in and entering a giveaway for free. And those giveaways, sometimes it's 1 ether, sometimes it's a half of ether, like 0.5, sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more, sometimes it's the NFT. They give you an NFT, sometimes they give you the first NFT that's been mint. And there is a lot of things that you can get for free just by joining their Discords and their Twitter. And who knows, maybe some of these might go and take off someday. Who knows, everything is possible. And you already got those for free. So yeah, that's a good thing. That's easy money that you're leaving on the table. Okay, so this is it. If you have any questions or any suggestions, just put them in the comment, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And thank you for watching.